Once again, it's on. We back, but we really not back, because you see me, I'm looking all scruffy. But I'm going to tell you like this. The chef going on vacation. We got a special guest coming in to do a couple of things for us this evening. And just stay tuned. We're going to introduce her in a hot second, all right?
Hi everybody, my name is Tracy. I am Chef ROD's guest chef for the day. Today we're going to be, I'm making Recaito. It's an authentic seasoning that all Puerto Ricans use to marinate and season their beans, their chicken, fish, beef, you name it. Pork too, but I don't eat pork, so we're not even going to introduce that into the picture. Okay, come closer. I'm going to show you some of the ingredients that we're having today. We have a red pepper, green pepper, some habanero peppers, sorry about that, cilantro, a yellow onion, some garlic, we love garlic, some Spanish olives, some olive oil, capers, crushed oregano, some black pepper, and some salt. All these things combined together make a delicious seasoning for any Puerto Rican or sometimes any Latin dish. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to chop these peppers up. Not too small. It's not necessary because it's going in the blender and everything has to be pureed. So you just cut big chunks like this and use it all. You want to use every last piece of the pepper that you can possibly use. Just continue chopping away. Nothing too small, not necessary. I'm going to peel that first layer off. We don't need that. And you do the same with this. Chop in big chunks. Okay, now it's time to do the habanero peppers. So, you know what that means. We need to put some gloves on, or else you're going to be burning. Knowing me, I touch that and then touch my skin, I'm going to break out like I have hives. It's not going to be a pretty picture, so we're not going to do that. We'll just keep our gloves on. Okay, now with these, you could put, I'm going to put probably 3 in. You could put a little bit more if you want, if you like spicy foods. Me, I love spicy foods. It just doesn't agree with me, so I'm limited to about 3 of them. Okay, now make sure once you touch these peppers on the inside, you touch the seeds. You don't want to touch your face, your skin, or anything else that you may touch again and then get it to your eyes or anything like that. Just don't. You want a little more spice, you can leave some of the seeds in there. You see? I took mine out. It's all gone. And then these also, you cut them into maybe 4s, and that's it. Now I'm keeping these sectioned because once I start, because it's going in the blender and we're going to puree, we have to put a little bit of the ingredients in at a time so it's well blended. Okay? To start this up, I'm going to leave my gloves on because I'm going to be touching it periodically. Matter of fact, I'm going to take one glove off so I can use the blender and not have it on there. Got my one free hand, looking like Michael Jackson got another one. Okay, so right now we're going to get started. We're going to put a little bit of cilantro in. And now remember I told you we're going to be putting these in a little bit at a time. So it could be well blended. And with the cilantro, even with the culantro, you're going to put them in stems and all. You don't have to cut it. You don't have, that's the best thing about, you know, everything else you have to dice up real good. This one you don't have to do that. Now we're going to put some of this stuff in. Some culantro. We're going to add, let's say, 3 pieces of pepper, 3 of red pepper, 3 pieces of green pepper, a chunk of onions. Spread it out. Okay. we got quite a few clove garlic here. So we'll start off with 2. What else? Oh, you can't forget the peppers. These are the dangerous things. Now you're gonna add some black pepper, some oregano, you're gonna do some salt, some capers, a few olives, and then we're gonna add some olive oil. Okay, now we're gonna put the lid on, and this cool ninja here has a little spout that we can use, so we can add. We don't even have to stop it. We can let it continue doing what it does and just keep adding our stuff. Now we're gonna press the puree button and start off puree. Everything's all mixed up, blended very, very well. Smells so good. Okay, now here we go. Take a look at that. Everything is nicely mixed. And we're gonna put it in this bowl right here. Now, just so you know, let me talk about this first. You can put it in a mason jar. It can be canned. You could put it in ice cubes, put it in the freezer to freeze it. It lasts a very, very, very long time. But today, because I'm going to be cooking something else in a little while, it's a surprise, I'm going to put it in here because I'm going to need some. If you could smell this, you would love it. And the seasonings are so well combined, you don't only have to use it for Latin dishes. You could use it for any type of marinade. So come look at this. It's beautiful. You can see all the green, the reds, everything's in there, and it makes everything taste delicious. So there you go. That's how you make recaito. It's a traditional, authentic seasoning for Puerto Rican dishes as a marinade. And you can even put it in rice. I forgot to mention that earlier. I named all the meats and stuff. But you could also use it in rice. Delicious. Red rice, this is key ingredient. Okay? Recaito is what we do. We cook with our recaito. Enjoy. Wow. Thank you.